This one for the invoice is for MI something H Ventures LLC. I don't know who they are either. And no one will give me administrative assistance, and no one will give me legal representation, as everything's been filed in these courts.
Know the extension of the party you are trying to reach. Please enter it now.
Otherwise, please remain on the line while your call is transferred. For quality assurance purposes, some calls may be monitored or recorded.
Exactly. And as they state, calls may be monitored or recorded, so I can record these things like I do the other ones.
Thank you for calling Echelon Services. We cannot take your call at this time.
So it's another number for Echelon.
With your complete email address.
But they call it MIH Ventures LLC.
And someone from our office will send you information about that service and return your phone call as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, this is Adam LeComte calling again. I was given a different number by MI something H Ventures LLC for the invoice of $210. So I'm looking for someone to give me a call back on my cell 603-680-5199 to discuss exactly what that $210 is for, knowing that with the email exchange that I cannot do documentation without assistance, and the assistance has been denied as a client of Monadnock Developmental Services for years. So I've had no legal counsel, I've had no legal representation of any kind, that there's been unlawful rulings at the courts, that there's been false emergency orders that were filed when I confronted Tristan's mother about violent sexual abuse he was crying about. I didn't make any type of accusations. It was a matter of email exchange to her and to Lynn Howard and to the teacher of Tristan at that time that was expressing concerns also. And the response to that, Jolene Rodgers filed false emergency orders. Me and Tristan have been separated since, and I've been denied legal counsel the entire time for all of the court proceedings that Jolene has put in motion with Lynn and her son Ryan, filing false information. Now, the complexity of it and how all of these individuals have been getting funding of some kind. They were accessing my bank accounts in years I don't remember. They were liquidating business equipment in years I don't remember. They were helping others steal the property in years I don't remember. So all the documentation is available to review, and the questions are about exactly why am I being asked to pay this right now without a contractual agreement, and I'm provided no assistance to go over the contracts, which was precisely the tactical assault that I've been under since the injury and release from hospital, and my inability to transfer short-term to long-term of my condition of left-side neglect. So I'm asking someone to give me a call back when possible to go over these things so that if I pay the invoice, which I'm willing and prepared to pay, because I want to make sure that I can see my boy and get this information documented for future court proceedings, but I need somebody to give me a call back.
Thank you. To return to the main menu, press.
I guess that's long enough of a message. I do talk a lot. But either way, I'm not going to stop talking about the truth of what's happening to me and my children until it's resolved in a court of law.